Audeze, known for their high-end headphones, are in the gaming sector too, with this, their Mobius gaming headset. Let's take a look. Hello, Nick here from TechNuovo and welcome back to the channel. Before we get too far into checking out this gaming headset, please show some support for the channel. Hit that subscribe button or give this video a thumbs up, we would really appreciate it. So this is the Audeze Mobius gaming headset. Out the box, its appearance is very much in keeping with other Audeze products, black in colour with hints of gunmetal grey here and there. Thick over-the-ear memory foam cups with a thick spongy adjustable headband too. There is plenty of flex and adjustment with the headphones. The headband flexes every way possible while each can twists and rotates as well. However, they do not completely fold in on themselves like you would find with most headphones now if you plan on storing them in a tight space. To the left hand side you've got the power on button plus the mute and 3D button as well. There are two small scroll wheels, one for the microphone volume and the other for the content volume. The left side also has the microphone port to plug the mic in plus the USB-C port and the 3.5mm port as well. That mute button, it's not push, it's a slide up down type button, which is okay when the headphones are on the table, but when you're wearing them it's actually a little bit awkward and stiff to mute the microphone. The right hand side does not have any buttons or controls. The overall build quality of the headset is top notch. Everything feels sturdy, premium quality, and appears to be built to last. In the box you get the headphones, the detachable microphone, USB-C to C cable, USB-A to C cable, 3.5mm aux cable, a carry case and some paperwork. The quality and length of the cable is very good, plenty long enough to allow flexibility on your PC position, and it's got a thick braid to the cable as well. Spec wise, plentiful. The headset offers plenty magnetic drivers for audiophile grade cinematic sound, full 3D emulation, 7.1 or 5.1, but only if you go for hardwired connection, 1000 times per second integrated head tracking, autonomy calibration to tailor the sound to the user, integration with Waves NX technology. You can either go for a wired USB setup, which offers the best results, or wireless via Bluetooth and is compatible with PC, Mac, consoles and smartphones. Now out the box I had a few issues with getting started. I rarely read any instructions and I just assumed it was plug and play, and noting the badge on the packaging stating it was Discord certified, that's where I went first. I plugged the headset in, wired connection to start with, and nothing happened. I tried again and then the PC recognized it and installed a generic USB device driver. Audio came through fine, the microphone wasn't working though, even though I went through Discord and made sure the correct sources were selected. Anyway, I spent a few minutes fiddling and got it working eventually. Unfortunately, this wasn't the only time I had problems with the microphone not working with Discord. Discord picked it up as a source, but the guys in the channel couldn't hear me. Was it me and my PC? Quite possibly. My current go-to is a SteelSeries headset, so I had their software installed. That may have caused a conflict. I did install the Audeze HQ software as well, although this is more tweaking settings as opposed to hardware drivers, but more on that later. One thing I forgot to do when first using it, plug it in and then also turn it on. A couple of times I plugged it in and assumed it would start working, but that is not the case. That being said, my first session with the headset was fantastic, and I'm going to say it's the best headset I've used to date. I was in a channel with Steph at the time playing some game, and the first thing he said was,
"Whoa, what have you done? Your microphone sounds amazing."
So that was positive feedback straight away. For reference, my previous headset was the SteelSeries Arctis 5. Sound quality was superb, playing some first-person shooters, pinpoint accuracy when listening to where gunshots are coming from. I played some Valorant, and if you play that, you know how much of an advantage it is to know exactly where your enemy's footsteps are coming from or when they plant a bomb and where. I played other games too, some Formula 1, Call of Duty and Guild Wars 2, all of which elevated the gaming experience for me. Listening to music or content, again, very good, and I would happily take the mic out and use these as everyday headphones. I touched on it earlier, mic quality again, very, very good, and the others in Discord were instantly impressed with how I sounded. Right, so this is an audio sample of me using the headset. As you can see, the microphone is about 2 centimeters away from my mouth, and this is a completely unedited raw audio sample. I think it sounds pretty clean, far better than the SteelSeries I've been rocking for the last few months, and let me know in the comments below what you think about the quality of this microphone. A gaming session for me would usually be 3, maybe 4 hours, a few times a week. The headset is comfortable, and during those sessions it was fine. I had no need to take it off, and they weren't causing me any problems. Control wise, the volume and mic mini scrollers work well. The mic control is your mic, not your friend's, so you have to go into Discord to get your game audio versus group chat at the right level. The mic is bendy, it's easy to move or remove when needed, and it comes with a little foam cover as well. Right, let me take a minute to talk about the Audeze HQ software. It's very basic, a very old school looking piece of software, but it adds another level to the headset. The program will detail the device info, allow firmware updates, let you select some default sound profiles, and control the headset as well. Control wise, it lets you select which mode you want, i.e. 7.1, 2-channel or high res, plus 3D on, off or auto. This is where the fun starts. Select the 3D mode to manual, and then while your headset is on, move your head and you'll see the animation on screen mimic your movements. This is the spatial awareness or 3D audio coming into play. You'll see on the left hand side of the software, you need to measure your head circumference, intraoral arc, and assume a room ambience level as well. Once done, look straight forward at the monitor and hit center under calibrate to ensure the headset is in line with your head position. You can create profiles, make finer tweaks, and the end result is great fun. Just listening to music, move your head to the left, then the audio is focused on the right. I wouldn't use this for music or video content though, or even gaming as such, as most of the time your head is looking straight at the monitor and you will likely gain no benefit from this spatial awareness. However, use this with VR and it will be an absolute game changer, and that's where this feature really becomes a benefit. So there we have it. They were the Audeze Mobius gaming headset, and I've been hugely impressed. Audeze now the audio front with any of their products, and they've crossed over pretty well into the gaming market as well. Mic quality is superb, build quality just as good, and if I was being super picky, I think they could make the buttons a little easier to use and improve the user experience on the software. These retail for £399 here in the UK, but I have seen them slightly cheaper at some retailers, and that is an investment and is a lot more than what the competition is selling for. You wouldn't be disappointed at all if you got these, but when they're double the price of, say, the SteelSeries Arctis 9X, you've got to think about it and which way you want to go. That is a wrap on this video. If you have stuck around until the end, thank you very much, and we will see you in the next video.